Banks tell you to use complex passwords and change them monthly. But as a professional fraud analyst who reviews breached accounts daily, I know that advice is dangerously outdated. Fraudsters don't guess passwords anymore. They bypass them completely. Today, I'm taking you inside my personal security protocol to show you exactly how I lock down my banking apps. This isn't theoretical. This is how I protect my own money from the threats I analyze every day. The problem isn't that passwords are weak, it's that they are phishable. If I can trick you into typing that complex password on a fake site, I have it. More commonly, malware steals your session token after you log in. The fraudster doesn't need your password or your 2FA SMS code. They just take over your active session. That strong password you just updated? Totally useless. Step 1. Eliminate phishable 2FA, the core fix. First, I go into my bank's security settings and disable SMS or email for two-factor authentication. Both are vulnerable to SIM swapping and interception. I use a dedicated authentication app like Aegis or Rivo, or ideally, passkeys, hardware security keys. If your bank doesn't support hardware keys like the YubiKey yet, demand it. Step 2. Securing the recovery path. Most breaches happen because the fraudster uses the forgot password link. They don't need your password, they need your email or phone number. I ensure my banking email is private, using an email alias service, and protected by the exact same level of hardware security as my bank account. If your email vault is open, your bank vault is open. Step 3. KYC and alert management. As a KYC specialist, I know how banks use your data for verification. I ensure my personal data registered at the bank is accurate but minimized. I set extreme alerts, notification for every login, every transaction over $1, and any security setting change. If a fraudster manages to get in, I will know in seconds. Securing your bank account isn't about one setting. It's about eliminating single points of failure. It's about redundancy. Don't wait until you see a fraudulent transaction to act. If you want a personalized security audit of your financial vault, book a consult at the link below. Stay safe.